We all have dreams, right? A new phone maybe, or perhaps that latest gadget that everyone is talking about, or saving up for a house, a place to call your own where you can build memories with your loved ones. To get those things, we need a plan, a roadmap that guides us on how to allocate our resources effectively. That's where budgeting comes in. It's a powerful tool that helps us manage our finances wisely. It's not about not spending money. It's about making informed decisions on how to spend it. It's about being in charge of your money so you can buy the things you really want, prioritizing your needs and wants. Think of a budget like a map. It shows you the way to your financial goals. It helps you understand your money, avoid owing money, and reach your goals. It provides clarity and direction. By knowing where your money goes, you can make smart choices about spending and saving. You can avoid unnecessary expenses. Budgeting also helps you feel calm. It reduces financial stress and brings peace of mind. When you know you can pay your bills and work towards your goals, you'll feel better and less worried about money. It gives you confidence. A good budget is the key to having more money and achieving your dreams. It empowers you to turn your aspirations into reality. Before you make a budget, it's crucial to understand what you want to achieve financially. Think about your money goals. What are your priorities? What do you want to do with your money? Do you want to save for a rainy day, invest in your future, or perhaps both? There are short-term, mid-term, and long-term goals. Each type of goal requires a different approach and timeline. Short-term goals take a year or two. These are things you want to achieve soon, like paying off a credit card, saving for emergencies, or planning a vacation. These goals are often more immediate and tangible. Mid-term goals take 2 to 5 years. They require more planning and saving, like saving for a down payment on a car, fixing up your house, or making a significant investment, or paying off a big chunk of debt. These goals are more substantial and often require consistent effort. Long-term goals take 5 years or more. These are your big dreams, like buying a house, retiring comfortably, or saving for your kids' college education. These goals need lots of planning and saving. It's important to start early and stay committed to your financial plan. Now that you know your goals, let's prioritize. It's important to understand what needs your immediate attention and what can wait. This will help you allocate your resources more effectively. First, list the important things like rent, food, and bills. These are your essential expenses that you cannot avoid. Make sure you have a clear understanding of how much each of these costs. You have to pay these on time to avoid any late fees or penalties. Keeping track of these payments is crucial for maintaining a good financial standing. Then put money aside for your goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation, a new gadget, or an emergency fund, setting aside money regularly will help you achieve these goals faster. A good tip is the 50-30-20 rule. This budgeting method is simple yet effective for managing your finances. 50% of your money goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and paying off debt. This way, you ensure that all aspects of your financial life are covered. Needs are things you must have, like groceries and utilities. Wants are things you'd like to have, such as dining out or entertainment. Needs are things you must have, and they should always be your top priority when budgeting. Wants are things you'd like to have, but they are not essential. It's okay to indulge occasionally, but make sure it doesn't derail your budget, and savings are for your future. This includes your emergency fund, retirement savings, and any other long-term financial goals you may have. This is just a guide. Everyone's financial situation is different, so feel free to adjust these percentages to better fit your needs. You can change the numbers if you need to. The key is to find a balance that works for you and helps you achieve your financial goals. Just be realistic and stick to your budget. Consistency is key to financial success. With careful planning and discipline, you can achieve your goals. Different goals need different ways of saving. For short-term goals, a regular savings account is fine. For long-term goals, think about investments that can earn more money. Look into things like high-yield savings accounts, fixed deposits, or index funds. These can help your money grow faster, especially for long-term goals like retirement. Remember, managing your money is an ongoing thing. Check your budget often, change it if your income or expenses change, and celebrate when you reach your goals. By being smart and disciplined, you can achieve your money dreams. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on mastering your finances.